Alrighty, guys, now we're talking. We had a crazy day in the stock market today. Maybe you're watching this video on Wednesday morning. I'm not sure when you're watching this video, to be honest, but right now when I'm making the video, it's about, 10 p.m. on the East Coast. I might release it tonight. I don't know. But either way, right now on Tuesday, well, it's the markets are closed, obviously, but today, when the markets ended up, playing out, everything ended up doing very, very well. All the indexes ended up going up big time. We had the Russell up, I think, 1.5%. S&P went up roughly the same. The NASDAQ up over 2%. We had the Dow up about 0.8%. So in this video, I really want to focus on the charts here and go over whether or not we're getting ready for a breakout as we're getting into September of 2023. And of course, we'll break down some names here, some other stocks, some stocks in general that I'm looking at, charts. We'll break down oil, maybe gold, silver. So yeah, jam-packed video. If y'all find value, feel free to hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe. I appreciate you all as always. And if you want some free money from Moomoo, why not? Up to 16 stocks, each up to $2,000. And depending on how much money you deposit, you can get a free share of either Google stock or Tesla stock, guaranteed, guys. And if you fund the account with at least, I believe, $100, check the link out down below. You get 5 stocks right off the bat, each of which could be valued up to $2,000. So get your free stocks from Moomoo, link down below. And with that being said, folks, let's dive right into the video. So like I said, all the indexes today did very, very well. It wasn't like a 0.2 to 0.3% green day. I'm talking we had a green day today, guys. 2% NASDAQ, 1.5% S&P Russell. That's a green day, guys. And we have SPY now starting to break out again on the 4-hour chart, which, I mean, it was under these moving averages for a couple of weeks, if that. And now by the looks of it, we're back over the 180 SMA, well above the 50 SMA. And with today's move, well, maybe tomorrow, depending on, or yesterday's move, depending on when you're watching this video. Either way, with the move that we saw, we now, we're now trading above the highs from last week. And it looks like the week before that, where SPY ended up topping at 448? Yeah, 448, and that was on the 14th of August. So we're starting to break out here very slowly on SPY. We're not, completely ripping quite yet, but we're getting pretty dang close, guys. We're pretty much there. Again, above the moving averages, taking out the highs from the last couple of weeks. We're definitely heading in the right direction, and you could make the argument, well, I guess not anymore. I guess you could have made the argument that we had a head and shoulders here, but, well, we don't anymore, guys, right? Because the neckline, you all can see that I'm about to draw right now. Well, I drew it already, but if I draw this out to give you a visual, we can see now we're actually starting to break out of the neckline, as now we're taking out 445. Now we're at 450 after the bell here as of Tuesday, right? So SPY's looking pretty good. We're starting to break out. Bulls are gaining momentum again for sure now that we're taking out 445, 448. That's a big spot on SPY. And Triple Q, let me show you guys this. This is also looking fairly similar, right? My alert set at 380. You guys can see that. Boom, right here. We're now at 374. And just like SPY, we're above the moving averages, both the 180 and the 50 SMAs here on the 4-hour chart. We're above the highs from, last week, the last couple of weeks as well, right? So Triple Q's really starting to turn around, and it looks like this is also breaking the neckline here of the head and shoulders, which is a really good sign for the bulls. You guys can see that here, left shoulder head, then boom, we have the right shoulder right here. So if this starts to break above 380, which is why my alert's there, guys, there's a reason why the alert's there. That is where we could go 385, 387 from there. Who knows? Maybe even higher. It's not guaranteed, of course. Nothing's guaranteed. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know the future, guys. Unfortunately, I don't. It'd be nice. I mean, let me know in the comments. Does anybody out there know the future? Let me know down below. But I don't know the future, so please do your own research. Don't buy, sell, do anything based on this video. That is very, very important. And by the way, you know what else is important? You follow me on Twitter, guys, at StockSurfS, or just go on there, type in Stas Talk Stocks. We're getting way more active on Twitter, guys, and we're almost at 1,000 followers over there. So if you want to be a part of the community, you want to see me tweet, you want to bounce some ideas back and forth or just talk some crap, right, on Twitter, go down below, StockSurfS, Stas Talk Stocks. make sure you guys follow me, and I'll see you on Twitter. So look, that's what's going on right now with the overall, indexes here, SPY, Triple Q, the two main ETFs that we break down here on the channel, right? They're starting to break out, and we have a lot of other names here breaking out as well, which I've talked about time and time again here on this channel. Do you guys remember Airbnb? We covered this, I think it was last week at some point. I forget what day it was exactly. Either way, it doesn't matter. Airbnb, when I'm filming this video today, it went up 5% on the day. Now it looks like it's starting to break past the 50 SMA, the highs from last week. We're getting towards the 180 SMA now at about $138 a share. That is a big spot of resistance, which I believe if that ends up breaking, we could end up going back towards the top of the channel. We're not there yet, but just an idea. Airbnb could be seeing some more upside. And actually, before I forget, let me set my alert at, let's do it at 137. Let me do that now. Markets that were above 137. There we go. Here on Airbnb, ticker symbol ABNB. Not that hard to forget, right, guys? So that is a quick breakdown on that particular stock. Let me see. DraftKings looks like it's slowly starting to bounce. This is interesting, guys, here as a trade. Kind of similar to Airbnb chart-wise, a bit more oversold, right? It looks like we're starting to consolidate, and maybe it looks like we're trying to break out. Maybe, I don't know. Time will tell. But right now, we're right by the 180 SMA, right at $29, $30, right around here. Let me actually set my alert at $29.50. We're pretty much right there, guys, which if that point does end up breaking, similar, technical layout as Airbnb, we could be seeing DraftKings, boom, make a move, top of the channel, totally possible. So I'm not in either of those right now, DraftKings or Airbnb, but these are ones that I'm considering as a trade, maybe with options. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll cover it here on the channel, guys. Whatever I end up doing, if I do anything, we'll break it down here on the channel. So make sure you all subscribe. But definitely two stocks, DraftKings and Airbnb, those are pretty interesting here heading into the middle of the week now, as we're getting to Wednesday, right? You're probably watching this maybe on Wednesday. Either way, right? DraftKings, Airbnb, and let me actually pull up gold and silver now. Let's see how those charts are looking, and I'm sure you all know gold's been sideways. You can see it right here for yourselves. It's been trading between, looks like 1900 as support, which held, it looks like, in the beginning of July, middle of July, which is good. And it also held just about a week ago, 10 days ago, which is also very good. So gold's clearly holding 1900, but at the same time, we are doing this right here. We're making lower highs, which I'm not going to lie, that is not the best sign for the bulls on gold. Now, if we do end up breaking above, let's say, 1985, 2,000 an ounce again, all right, that's different. We're probably going to be breaking out at that point, but as of now, we're not getting that. And again, the descending triangle is intact. And silver, let me pull this up. Silver right now is also moving, I don't want to say sideways, but if we pull up the channel tool, let me show you this. Silver's moving in this kind of a downwards channel, guys. I'm not going to lie. If I show you this, boom, we're in this channel, but notice we're at the top of the channel right now, which is right here. Boom. You guys see this right here? We're at the top, right? $25. So if silver does crack above 25, 25.50, we start pushing 26. That's where the full breakout on silver could be coming. So that's a quick, run around here on what's going on, guys, with silver, gold, technically, some stocks that I'm looking at, the markets. Let me actually pull up what oil is doing. Then we'll wrap up the video. I appreciate you all for tuning in. So oil does look like it is starting to turn back to the upside as expected, right? I'm not surprised. We are seeing a bounce off the 50 and the 180 SMAs. We have a golden cross right now, or actually do we? Either way, we're breaking out on crude oil, and to me, this looks like it wants to go back to the mid-50s. And guys, I've been buying XLE again for the first time in a while, and I think there's going to be some more upside. Personally, I'm not telling you guys what to do. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Can't tell you guys what to do, but that's what I'm doing. I'm nibbling on a little bit, in I think 2 portfolios. nibbling a little bit. And this is one that I've owned for years, but I'm adding a little bit to it, kind of more as a defensive play, right? So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. And don't forget to get your free money from Moomoo, guys. I'm telling you, this is the best promo by far. Just use that link down below. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks right off the bat. And if you fund your account with some more money, I forget exactly what it is, the details are down below, you can get another share of either Tesla stock or Google stock and a bunch of other stocks, guys. This is a no-brainer promo, so use that link down below. I appreciate you all. As always, as that is an affiliate link, keep that in mind. It does help out the channel. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.